Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Why don't we make this Southwestern pasta salad today? It smells really good. It's delicious, I promise you. If you haven't subbed, and you would, I'd really appreciate that. Turn on the notification button and let's go make this. I have 12 ounces of cooked fusilli pasta in here. You can use any pasta you want, guys, for this recipe, as long as it's small. I cooked it and then I drained it and then I shocked it with cold water so it would stop cooking, okay? So these are the things I'm adding to the salad. I have a cup of cherry tomatoes, which I halved. I have half of a bell pepper. I cut it into long strips and then cut those in half. I have some cucumber, maybe a cup of chopped cucumber. I have the small Persian ones. You can use whatever cucumber you have. About a half a cup of chopped cilantro and another half cup of red onion. So I'm gonna put all of this inside the bowl with the pasta. We're gonna use black beans and corn for this salad. I drained and rinsed both of these. They're both 15-ounce cans, okay? I'm going to add an optional small diced jalapeno to our salad, guys. Let's work on our dressing. I'm going to put the juice of half a large lemon in here. That's about 2 tablespoons, I'm sure. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar. I'm gonna add about a half a cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cumin. Let's do half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, pepper, and we shake. Open it, taste the salt. Yummy. All right, I'm just gonna pour it all over our salad. Guys, pasta salads will dry up and it'll suck up the dressing. So you might have to make extra if you have leftovers to doctor your salad, okay? Yeah, Look at that. Oh, so pretty. So let's taste our salad. We have so many wonderful things in here. Very, very nice. Such an easy salad, and it's a full meal, guys, you know, for hot days when you don't want to cook, and it's just very, very wonderful. And it's a whole meal. You've got a bunch of protein in there, plus the veggies, the fiber. Oh my gosh. Good, good, good. I hope you make this. I think you're gonna love it. And thank you for watching the video. I'm gonna see you soon.